मेरा तो एक ही बेटा है। जब पहली बार ये पता चला कि डॉक्टर ने कहा कि बच्चे को मेरा ब्लड कैंसर हो गया, तो हम लोग रोने के सिवा कुछ था ही नहीं।
अब तो उम्मीद है कि हाँ, अब आगे से अब बच्चा ठीक ही रहेगा और ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा अपना।
India. World today looks up to it as one of the fastest growing nation. With all around growth and development, unfortunately, India is also becoming a leader in childhood cancer. As per the report by the World Health Organization, over 17,000 new cases of childhood cancer are detected every year. One can control this calamity if detected early. Proper knowledge and treatment can not only make this curable, but can reduce the numbers by at least 70%. But tragically, only 20% of children detected with cancer in India get to even benefit from advanced medical care.
उस टाइम तो हमने उम्मीद ही खो दी थी बहुत, क्योंकि बीमारी की रेसिपी सुन के बहुत परेशान हो गए थे। डॉक्टर गौरी कपूर है, वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो आप उनके पास जाके देखिए। फिर हम उनके पास गए, हम दोपहर में, तो हम पहले बच्चे को साथ में लेकर नहीं गए थे, अकेले ही गए थे। फिर हमने सारी रिपोर्ट्स उनको दिखाई, तो उन्होंने कहा बच्चे को ले आओ। फिर हम बच्चे को लेकर गए, उन्होंने सारा चेक किया बच्चे को। उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि उम्मीद मत तोड़ो, ऐसी बात नहीं है, आजकल इस बीमारी का भी इलाज है।
Whereas in the developed countries like US, the survival rate is over 90%. This widespread misfortune not only raised a lot of concerns and questions, but also forced a lot of doctors and related professionals to actively think and take a conscious step towards countermeasures. Dr. Pradeep Mehta is one such name, a pioneer biotechnologist from India, currently working in the US at the acclaimed St. Jude's Children's Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Memphis, Tennessee.
One afternoon in 2006, it clicked. I thought if I had to do something, the best would be to do something for the sick children in India, especially for those sick children who suffer from cancer and catastrophic diseases, or in the case of those children whose families are unable to pay for the cost of the cancer treatment.
डॉक्टर ने बोला कि ये इलाज के लिए बहुत लंबा खर्चा है, तो ये हम कर नहीं सकते थे। हम फिर मैडम ने सलाह दिया कि आप अपना और इंतज़ाम, आप 2 लाख तक आप इंतज़ाम करिए, इसके आगे आपकी मदद में संस्था करेंगी। कुछ बाहर इंडियन लोग हैं जो बाहर रहकर भी बच्चों की मदद करते हैं, उन्होंने हम लोग की बहुत मदद की। इस वजह से आज मेरा बेटा ठीक है।
Besides being just another scientist doing his duties, Dr. Mehta has a vision beyond just finding a cure for cancer, a vision to wage a war against this maniac who not only attacks our future generation, but also the upcoming human race. His vision has now become a reality. American and Asian Indian Charitable Trust was born as the pioneering body to fight against childhood cancer, a single-point program to detect and eradicate childhood cancer, thus giving back the child its rightful life. AAICT in this endeavor also wants to make others realize the cause and bring on board other organizations to join hands and become a force in totality. J.H. Arnold said, "Children are not supposed to die. Parents expect to see their children grow and mature. Ultimately, parents expect to die and leave their children behind. This is the natural course of life, the life cycle continuing as it should be. The loss of a child is the loss of innocence, the death of the most vulnerable and dependent. The death of a child signifies the loss of the future, of hopes and dreams, of new strength and of perfection. But now with American and Asian Indian Charitable Trust, we can hope, the hope of life, and we all have a role to play." A mother's emotions are best described by the Nobel laureate poet Tagore. "Where have I come from? Where did you pick me up?" the baby asked its mother. She answered, half crying, half laughing, and clasping the baby to her breast. You were hidden in my heart as its desire, my darling. You were in the dolls of my childhood games, and when with clay I made the image of my God every morning, I made and unmade you then. You were enshrined with our household deity. In his worship, I worshipped you. In all my hopes and my love, in my life, in the life of my mother, you have lived.